This is Brother Tariq Shahid.
Yes, we just got to say hello.
Yeah, he's a board member. He's been with the project ever since his anticipation. He's right, left, and middle hand, all three.
Oh, great.
This is Sheikh Hamdi Basha.
Yes.
He is the Imam of the center on, it's called Denver Islamic Center.
Okay.
And it is on Evans and
Colorado.
No. Evans and
Birch.
Oh, on Birch. Okay.
Evans and Birch, right in front of the dealership.
Yes.
Right when you get off 25.
Okay.
And Sheikh Hamdi, as we say, mashallah, has been the Imam for very, 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 very long time.
Great.
He is the board member and our religious advisor.
All right. Well, that's great.
This man over here is Dr. Bashir Al-Mabruk. He is the manager of the Plaza. He is my first line attack of Randy and Doug Brown. So he's the one that gets the blunt and then passes it to me, water it down and passes it to me.
Well, he told me that they're still even bothering him, so that's why we want to get to today and get closer to getting him away.
It has never stopped. It is funny, when we closed with her, the first time the market was so down and he was so behind in his own taxes, he did not bother us for good 2 years. Did not hear anything. As soon as the market started improving, the harassment, you could not, the abuse. I mean, I can write a book. He probably can write too, but it has not stopped. This is Bob Bruce. He was introduced to us by Qusair, the brother Qusair, and inshallah, he has taken the big of it from them. We fought pound for pound first. They wanted to sue us. Some of this detail you don't need to know, but I just am giving it.
That's fine.
Because this is my chance that I introduced. They wanted to sue us. He went to the court. He said, okay, go ahead and sue us. They went to the court. They appeared before the judge. When they saw that the steam was getting out of their case, somehow they started coming to the table and started discussing. We offered them this price before. They said, we are not going to take it. And then, subhanAllah, when they went and they figured out that there was a clear indication that the judge gave them. I didn't go with you, right?
No, you didn't go with me, but the judge, when I raised what our defense was about how the documents he wanted had terms that didn't meet your religious beliefs, the judge said, well, now with the Supreme Court case, we have to look at this more carefully.
Yeah, with the cake case.
Yeah, and then
These are the guys that didn't allow me. Him and Sheikh Karim. I mean, these are our religious guys.
Right.
So the basic, as I have explained to you many times, Bob, on this is that we don't believe in interest.
Yeah.
We don't give it, we don't take it. And that is why we ended up paying. And when we were closing, and I remember Liz, I don't know if she remembers, her eyebrows were going, it was like, what kind of deal is this, that there is no interest? We don't believe in interest.
Yeah.
And his documents clearly stated for us to give him a permission to go and get a new loan, and the loans are on interest. So if something is bad for me, I mean, if you're doing it on your own, you can do whatever, it's your religion, it's you can do whatever you want to do. But for me to endorse it for you, I can't do it. I mean, if it is not good for me, it is not good for my brother as well. That is what the whole thing was.
Well,
so we're going to do it without them?
Yeah, they've given the instructions to Liz to be able to close. We just need to sign these documents, and we'll get that done.
Brother Tariq, because I didn't know whether Sheikh Hamdi was coming or not, so we have permission for Brother Tariq. He's going to sign, and Brother Sheikh Hamdi is going to witness.
Okay, that'll be great.
This is one time I'm going to just see the action.
You get one. You get one. All right.
I still have to say.
You have one which you have.
Liz, do you want to go ahead and start with
What happened to your beautiful pens that you used to have? I still have you won't remember, but I still have your pens.
Well,
the white ones.
We merged. We merged with Fidelity, and their pens aren't quite so nice. I'm sorry.
Remember those nice pens?
Yes, I do.
And we closed through, what's his name? Greg Knott.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. And Greg said, Isaac, take as many pens, and I took a handful. Those
They were the best.
That's what happened with our pens.
They wrote very well. The white pens.
I'm trying to think if I have any more. I'll go look. If I do, I'll bring some. Okay, so
I didn't bring, that was deliberately, I didn't bring my pen because I know I would get some.
darn.
These
I
are,
would like to have one too.
these are no close, these are no way close.
these are designed for signing documents though, because the ink does not
Float.
smear.
Right, the other ones did. So this is the settlement statement, and it shows how we're doing the transaction today. I don't know if you had a chance to go through it, but I can take you through it. 113,000 has come from your funds,
Yes.
and then it shows 1,174,000 because that's actually what gets paid back to your investor. He's only sent 600,000 today, so the difference shows us the debit of 574.
Okay.
All right. Liz's fee to do her transaction today is $550.
Okay.
$13 is to record the statement of authority that will say that you had the right to sign these documents today. $56 is to record the deed of trust and the modification that Randy has for the balance due to him of $370. So it says pay down to Mayflower. That's how much Randy is getting today. So